Hello mga ate mga kuya. Today ay mag-unbox tayo ng Momax iPower card. Nagre-record tayo gamit ang Galaxy A50s. Super wider than wide tayo ngayon para sa inyong mga smartphone users. Mas maganda yung dulo-dulo ng video. Anyway, I'm a Momax iPower card 2. Maliit siya na power bank na 5,000 mAh kasi laki ng pack of cards. It's got USB Type-C charging, 2 output ports, card size na portable, and ang presyo niya ay tumataging-ting 1,300 pesos. Maganda yung presyo dahil kasi USB Type-C na siya and yun, meron kang 12 months warranty. This is from Digital Walker. Digits Trading, you can buy it. Gusto ko yung design niya and USB Type-C na siya. Of course, you can buy cheaper phones, cheaper power banks na iba yung size. But this is Momax and I like the look and feel of it. Ooh. So, ang hinahanap ko kasi is Type-C na power bank. For example, ito isang Morui. Isa siyang micro USB. So, medyo naluluma na sa panahon yung mga ganong power bank at kailangan na natin mag-update, no? So, paano buksan itong kahon na to? Kakaiba talaga yung packaging ni Momax. Medyo, they don't do a lot of cardboard. They do a lot of these sort of plastic numbers. I don't know kung positive yun or negative. Wala akong pansundot. Kailangan ko ng pansundot at ayoko tumayo. Oh no. Oh no. Sundot powers activate. Hanap tayo pansundot. Nasaan na yun? Ayun. Oh, ayun. Nasaan nga? Wait, ayun. What the heck? Sundot powers. Oh my God, nasisira na natin yung kahon. Oh, yun. There we go. So, meron siyang parang lock. So, kailangan talaga malakas yung hatak mo sa lock niya. And here we go. So, 5,000 mAh. At gusto ko makita yung accessories niya. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, I like the size. So, ito yung 10,000 ko. I have a lot of 10,000, 8,000 mAh. So, huwag niyo isipin ito lang yung example natin. Nasaan yung Baseus? Baseus is another brand from Momax, from Digits Trading. So ito ay, I think 8,000 from Baseus, but ito is wireless charging. And then meron siyang digital display, and then meron siyang parang phone holder thingamabob, which is nice. Pero medyo malaki siya for my needs. Kaya lang gusto ko yung kulay niya actually itim. Kasi ang gagamitan ko sa kanya, papakita ko mamaya. So, ito yung Momax, very nice. I like this. Ito yung mga tipong pwede mong ilagay lang sa bulsa mo. Kasi maliit lang siya, sa back pocket. So we have 3 bars right now out of 4. Wala siyang LCD display thingamabob, but that's okay. Ito yung accessories niya, well labeled. Here we go. Like I said, 1,300 pesos, 1,290 from Digital Walker. So, ito yung kailangan ko. This is what I want. A very short USB Type-C cable. Makikita niyo mamaya para kung curious kayo kung gusto siyang gamitin. And then, meron tayong paperwork. Look at that. Momax. Super liit na pamphlet. Alam niyo yung mga martial arts, kung fu na papeles na maliliit na ganito dati? Wait, wireless charging? Hindi. Mga produkto nila to. So, Momax also offers a lot of these wireless charging. Wow, haba nito ah. My God. Okay. Cable and data, power bank. And then tignan natin yung likod. Best shooting partner. Oh, meron sila. Yeah, may mga tripods nga sila. For smartphones. And then charging. Okay. That's very cool. Very lots of pages pamphlet, and then we have another one which is important safety information, and then we have this which is yung sort of guide niya. Let's see kung ano yung power niya. So output 1 is 5 volts 2.1, output 2 is 5 volts 2.1, total output is 5 volts 2.1. So hindi siya pwedeng dumoble na. So, pag dalawa yung kinabit mo, magiging 1.5 amps yung lumalabas, no? Its overall capacity is 5,000 mAh, and actually gusto ko yun. 2 2 amps is what I need kasi to power something portable na makikita ko in just a bit, no? I wish it was black. Siguro kung may black nito, bibili ako panibago. Okay, so let's close that. Ayan. Tabi na muna natin to. Yan. Tabi na natin kahon. Yan, tinapon ko sa floor kasi wala akong paglalagyan. Okay, kumpara natin sa deck of cards. There we go. It is literally card size, no? Kaya lang, hindi siya kasing... It's like, ano ba? I don't know. I want to say 20... About, yeah, what? I'd say 26 cards. Ilan ba yung kalahati? Anyway, that's that. Okay, hindi natin kailangan yung pansundot. We have the USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and it says Momax right there. So, meron akong interesting way na gamitin siya. Saan ko nilagay yung kable ko na isa? Oh my God, nakalimutan ko. Yeah, wait lang. Break tayo. Kukunin ko yung kable ko. Okay, we're back. Did you like that break time? Okay, we have another cable here. This is why I want it in black kasi yung aking setup na gustong gawin is black. But I have an Apple. This is my Apple. This is my pen. Apple pen. Apple pen. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics. Ang gusto kong gawin is essentially, okay, medyo complex ito. This is a keyboard and trackpad. Yan. Hi. Ayoko makita niyo ako mukha ko. Okay, keyboard and trackpad. And actually, gumagana siya ngayon with my Samsung. Baba ko yung brightness. Hindi maganda masyado yung dynamic range ni A50S. So as you can see, gumagana siya, pwede ako mag-type. So the keyboard is connected, and the keyboard and touchpad is connected to the Samsung phone. And then this is actually not a tablet. It's not a laptop. It's a touchscreen monitor. So, kailangan niya ng power. Wala siyang sariling power. So, ito sana ang magiging power niya. Si Momax Type-C. So, yan. And ang bala ko sa kanya is didikit ko sa likod. Kaya gusto ko maikli yung kable kasi kailangan ko lang na maidikit sa likod. Pangit tignan pag mahaba yung kable. And don't worry about yung glossy finish niya kasi meron siyang screen protector thingamabib na hindi ko pa tinatanggal kasi ayoko tanggalin yung screen protector. Ito yung Type-C naman niya for the display. So, let's plug it into my Apple pen or pen. Bang. And watch what happens, boy. There it is. Samsung DeX. Okay, baba ko yung brightness. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. This is what I wanted to do. Yeah. So brightness. Baba natin ng todo. Wow. So you can see what's going on. So this is a portable Samsung DeX machine na powered by the Momax power bank. I know hindi kasama sa unboxing ito. I'm just showing you why I needed a small power bank na hindi. For example, ito masyadong malaki for this setup. No? Ilalagay ko nung sa likod kaya gusto kong portable siya. Plus mahaba yung mga kable na meron ako. I really wish it was black para magmamatch sa setup natin. But this is a portable Samsung DeX machine. Isang cable na itim goes to my Samsung, which also is charging. If you look closely there, it's charging. So yung charge na yan galing dumadaan sa touchscreen monitor, which is also touchscreen by the way, kung gusto niyo makita. Toink. Yan. So, pwede tayong mag-scroll. Ang ganda talaga niya. And then, yung touchscreen monitor is pinapass through yung power from the Momax So yung touchscreen monitor ngayon, nagdodraw ng power from the Momax. Masyado ng bright, hindi, hindi nyo nakita. Nagdodraw ng power ng yung touchscreen monitor sa Momax. And then, pinapower niya yung monitor, so kumakain ng certain kuryente yung monitor. And then, lahat ng excess na power niya, binibigay niya sa Samsung ko. So, this is sort of a one-click solution na ini-experimentohan ko, no? Alt F4. So, this is a touchscreen monitor for Samsung DeX ko. There. And then, kakabit ko yung power bank nito sa likod para permanente na siya nandun. So, ang gagawin ko lang is, ilalapat ko itong kable na to, ikakabit ko sa Samsung ko on the road, para pwede ako mag-Samsung DeX on the road. And then, meron akong mouse dito to use it on my Galaxy S10. Ano siya? 3? No, I need it in 1. So, 1 is controlling my Samsung. So, pag nag-pair na siya, I think, hopefully. It's waiting to pair. Number 1, good. Okay. So, now I have a mouse on my Samsung. So, pwede tayong bukas ng Facebook. Obviously, this is a mobile version of Facebook. Siyempre, we're still using, what's it called? Mobile Facebook, no? This is mobile everything, mobile apps and stuff. Pero Samsung DeX is of course yung medyo a version of sort of a desktop-ish UI. So pwede kang mag-multitask ng konti, bukas ng window dyan, bukas ka ng window dito. So pwede kang multitask ng konti. So pwede ako mag-type dito sa kanan, manood ng video sa kaliwa. And also may speaker itong setup na to. So let's try and watch something.
Whoa, stop. Don't skip this ad. Because I'm going to
skip this ad,
how
though.
to take your prospects from...
Skip. So,
The paying it forward story that drove this fundraiser...
that's speaker ng
Unfortunately...
touchscreen monitor. So, I know maraming parts itong design na to. This is a touchscreen monitor, separate na binili ko from the keyboard and folio case, which is separate kong binili. And then, separate ko pang binili itong Momax power bank. And then we have the Galaxy S10 Plus. No, of course, that's my phone. This cable came with the monitor. This cable came with the Momax. And the S10 came with itself. So, anyway, that's the unboxing ng ating Momax. The reason why I wanted one of these is because maliit lang siya and madali siyang ikabit sa likod ng aking portable Samsung DeX setup. Yun lang naman. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye. And ang importante sa akin is 2.1 amps yung outputs niya pala. Kasi if it's 2.1 amps, it can power the monitor and it can power the Samsung at the same time. Kasi kung hindi siya enough, mamamatay yung monitor. Like for example, if I pulled the power bank right now, hindi kakayanin ni Samsung i-power ito kasi babaliktad yung power. Babalik sa monitor. So tingnan nyo ngayon. Huh! So, mag-on, mag-off ito because sinusubukan niya i-power yung monitor. But since hindi niya kakayanin, mamamatay siya. Or kakayanin niya ba? Wow, ngayon kinakaya niya, ha? Wow, ibang klase. Ngayon kinaya niya. Wait, siguro sa brightness, no? Siguro sa brightness, pwede natin paandarin ng walang power bank? Wait, di nga. So, try natin nang itaas yung brightness. Nasaan ako? Brightness, please. Medyo malalim yung pindot. Ayun. Okay. Taas ko yung brightness. Sa tingin ko nahihirapan siya pag mataas yung brightness. There you go. So pag that's actually very interesting. Ngayon kailangan ko ibaba yung brightness. Okay, bumaba na sa 0. So pwede na rin. Wow, that's actually interesting. Kung itataas ko yung brightness, kailangan ko ng power bank. Kung hindi ko itataas yung brightness, hindi ko kailangan ng power bank. But most likely, I will still need the power bank para pwede natin i-power yung Samsung. Anyway, as you can see, this is the non-DeX version of the connection. This is just yung screen mirroring. Ang gusto ko sa kanya is medyo automatic sa DeX yung Samsung pagka ganito. You know, see? That's how it goes. So, I like that stuff. And wala lang. Hope meron kayong nakitang interesting today. See you guys next time.